Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about Chanel's 24P collection. This is my review that I do every single time there's a new Chanel collection. I like to go through the app. You guys know this. I do this every time. I like to go through the app and basically just let you guys know what are my favorite picks, what are my thoughts on some of the pieces, and just go over the collection as a whole. That's what I do. I will say I have seen most of this collection on social media because I feel like this has been talked about like crazy. Like every time I'm on Instagram, it's the only thing I see is Chanel 24P. But there are still some things that I hadn't seen. So I'm really excited to look at this collection and see what's new. So if you guys want to see what I think about Chanel's 24P collection, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to be here when I do. If you like luxury, like handbags, very fashion, you like Chanel, you like 24P collection, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So subscribe if you're not already. And just follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel. Outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot, okay? It's a lot. So just follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. Let's start off with handbags, obviously. This is a handbag channel. Like, we're not surprised. Starting off with flat bags. I already see some of these bags that I've seen. I don't know if you've seen, but I've seen them on Instagram. So this is the mini flat bag. It's $6,300. Oh, this is raffia. Did not know this was raffia. For some reason, this looked like a softer material. I don't know why, but I don't really like colored raffia bags, like pink or blue, I guess. I don't really like these kind of bags. I like, if it's going to be a raffia bag, like I want it to look like it's raffia. I want it to be like a beige or like a brown, something like that. So this is not my favorite, and $6,300 for a raffia bag is also wild. We also have this in a bigger size in black for $7,100. So if the $6,300 was wild, it's gotten wilder. Oh, see, this color I like. This is more of like a beige. This actually looks like it's raffia. So I like this color, but I don't like this price tag. There's no way. There's no way. So here we have my absolute favorite bag of all time. You guys know, if you've been here for more than 4 seconds, I love a mini top handle. I have 2, and I would definitely get like 4 more because they're just the best. So this is the mini top handle for $5,000, which I think that this is the regular price of the mini top handle. Let me know in the comments, because wasn't there a price increase recently? I can't even keep up, to be honest, but I think that this is the regular price of the mini top handle, and this one is in tweed, but this tweed also does have sequins like just like embedded in there. I do like this tweed. I've seen this tweed a lot. And we've got, is this a mini square? It's a mini square, but it has a pearl like top handle situation. I do like the pearl top handle, but $5,500 for a mini square is outrageous, and there's just no way that I would ever pay that much money. I do like the pearl top handle, but it's not worth that price jump. Here's another mini square type bag, but this one has like a cool chain handle. It says Chanel throughout it. Sometimes I feel like Chanel comes out, $5,600 is kind of a lot. Sometimes Chanel comes out with like some really weird chains, like that don't even make any sense, and they charge like an arm and a leg for it, and it's really like, it angers me. But this one I don't hate. I actually think this is cute. This is kind of cohesive, but I don't like that price tag, and I don't like that color of pink either. I'm very specific about pinks. That's just what it is. This is the Chanel 19 in this gorgeous tweed. Like, this tweed is the one that is like taking over the world, okay? This is the one that's all over my feed that everybody's obsessed with, and I have to say I get it, because I do really think this is a beautiful tweed. It's like all pink shades, but they're like muted. It kind of looks like cotton candy, to be honest, and I freaking love it. And I love the Chanel 19. You guys know this already. So $6,200 for this. I wouldn't get this only because tweed and me would just not get along. I will never have a tweed bag. That is just something that I can say. I can say that I will never have a tweed bag unless it's purchased for me, because I think that $6,200 for a bag that's going to wear like shit, it's just not the vibe. It's not the vibe. Now we've got a small flat bag with top handle for $5,700. Now, the thing about this, like, I like cool top handles. I like when they're like very sturdy. However, there are some variations that Chanel comes out with that I'm like, what were you even trying to do with this? And this has to be one of them. I don't like how this top handle looks at all whatsoever. Like, at this point, just get a regular mini top handle, because this one is just not, it's just not it. Everything on the handle looks freaking weird and I don't like it. Moving on to hobo bags. I mean, you guys know I recently got my mini 22, which I did wear today, by the way, okay? And I actually really love it. So I'm interested in a hobo bag. So here is the large hobo bag for $5,800. I don't like this. at all. This reminds me a lot of the Louis Vuitton like hobo loop bag, that like huge loop bag. And I do like the Louis Vuitton version, but this one is just like, it doesn't look right to me. I don't like it. And there's also this caramel version. What is that? $5,300 for this one. It has a chain going halfway down the bag. Whose idea was that? Whose idea was that, to have a chain going halfway down the bag? Okay, I don't like the chain. I don't like the color of this bag. I don't even like the way it looks. There's a double zipper on there for some reason. I think if you're gonna get something this season, just like let it not be this. This flower pattern is the worst. I actually like actively, like, I don't want to say hate, but I can't find a word that would replace hate. I just don't like this at all. I couldn't imagine a situation where I'm wearing an outfit and I'm like,
let me go grab that Chanel 22 with the flower pattern all over it.
Like, no, not that I don't like flower patterns. Like, Dior comes out with some great flower patterns, and I've actually debated on a couple of them. But this one, $5,500 for this, like, that is just, flush that money down the toilet. It would be better spent. This, on the other hand, I can definitely get down with. This is the Chanel 22 Mini in so black, $5,500, which is more than the Mini usually retails for. I think the Mini is $5,000 usually. So slight upcharge because it's a so black, but I think the so black is always more expensive. But this one is it. I absolutely love this. This one, on the other hand, this Chanel 22 in the mini size in the denim, it's not my favorite bag, my man. It's just not my favorite bag. I don't feel that I wear denim enough to warrant a denim bag, but this denim bag is just, it reminds me of the Going For from Louis Vuitton, okay? It's like darker in the crevices, so it looks like a little dirty. I feel like you get what I'm saying, okay? I don't like that about this. There are other denim variations that Chanel comes out with that I like a lot better than this one, like the one that came out in 23P that had like the graffiti on it. You know what I'm talking about. I like that one. I like the one that was like faded in the middle that they came out with in a 22 actually. I like that one a lot. This one is just like not. Oh, so this denim also comes out in the small 22, $5,200 for this one. I like it better in this one, if anything. I feel like the 22 in the bigger size, because it's a little bit slouchier. It's a little bit more of like a hobo style. It kind of lends itself to the denim material, but not this one. This is a caramel 22 for $5,800. Didn't they already come out with a caramel 22? I feel like they already came out with a caramel 22, so that's, but this is not the same caramel, right? Like this is like, no, this one is a little bit warmer than the one that I have. So I don't like this one as much. I feel like the ones that they came out with in the past are a little bit more wearable and a little bit nicer. Now let's do shopping bags. We've got the mini shopping bag. It's time. The bag that I've been seeing all over my feed is this one. This is the Chanel Kelly in tweed, the most beautiful pink tweed that I've personally ever seen. $4,200, a little bit cheaper because it is in tweed. And I have to say, I like this bag a freaking lot. You guys know I just got my blue one. Well, not just. I got my blue one in like October. I'll link the unboxing up here. And I do really love this bag, honestly, to the point where I could see myself getting another one. If you like tweed, if you can see yourself having a tweed bag and taking care of it properly, like the way that I can't, I say go for it. I mean, by the time this video comes out, it's going to be Sunday, and the Chanel collection, the 24P collection, launched on Thursday. So if you're seeing this the day that this comes out on Sunday and you haven't already put the request in with your essay, do it now. Do it now, because they're going to fly off the shelves if they have not already. I really like this variation, and there is like a lavender variation that I am obsessed with. And like truly, if I didn't already have this blue one, I would have tried to get the lavender one, because the lavender color, you're going to see it later on in a couple of bags, I think. So beautiful. Moving on to backpacks. I know there is definitely a couple of backpacks in this collection. What the hell is this? I don't know. Chanel 19 backpack. Oh, this is ugly. I don't like the way that this, I'm not even going to sugarcoat it. This is ugly. I don't like the way that this looks. I don't like this tweed. I don't like the construction. How are you going to close the backpack? There's a turn lock, and if you don't have like this shit stuffed to the brim, to the max capacity, how are you going to close this? That's not worth it, my man, for a tweed backpack. And why would you even want a tweed backpack? Like, aren't backpacks supposed to be like super user friendly and like just easy to throw around? But it's in tweed. There's also this one for $5,900 in that weird caramel color. This one is just too orange. You know, like the season right after 21P, like 21P, they came out with a really nice caramel. Was that 21P? And then the season immediately after, they came out with like a weird orange caramel. That's what this reminds me of, and I don't like it. I know this backpack is definitely doing well though, because I see it like all the time. This also comes in the beautiful lavender color that I was talking about earlier. Honestly, it's so beautiful. $5,900 for this. Honestly, like, this and the lavender is so nice. I don't know, again, why they don't show this on the freaking app, but this and the lavender is so nice that I considered, me not being a backpack person, considered actually getting it. Okay. Evening bags. And oh my God, this one is freaking stunning. Price upon request. This is absolutely gorgeous. If this was not price upon request, this would be the one from the collection. This would be the one. This is so beautiful. I love how the crystals are like different sizes. And this just looks like the perfect bag for any evening occasion. Like, stop. This is so gorgeous. I really wish that I had price upon request money, because this would come home with me. Thank you so much. Next up, we have mini flat bag. Is that sequins? Velvet. Oh, it says there's pearls, but where's the pearls? Okay, no, I hate this. I went from a little bit disliking it to actively hating it. I don't like this at all. There's like alternating sequins and pearls, and that just does not mesh well for me. I don't like it at all. Price upon request, that's a huge waste of money. Please, if you have price upon request money, go the other route. Go to the other bag, because this one is not it. Like, pearls and sequins are the complete opposite of each other. There's no reason they should be on a bag alternating together. Okay, thank you. This is the color that I was talking about, this beautiful lavender. Look at how delicious it is. It's like a warm pastel lavender. This is gorgeous. You guys know the lavender that came out maybe like 2 years ago, that was like super cool tone, almost white. That one I did not really like as much as this one, because this one is just like, it's giving spring. It's like, it's giving everything that it needs to give. Like I said, this comes out in the Kelly and it comes out in that backpack, and I just absolutely love it. Okay, I feel like this color in the Kelly and the pink tweed in the Kelly are the two unicorns of this collection. It's gonna be impossible to get them. It's gonna be the hardest thing of your entire life to get them, but worth it maybe. Moving on to mini bags. There's nothing here. Interesting. Great. Okay. Wait. Is this a mini reissue in the... Stop it. Look at this mini reissue in the most beautiful lavender color ever. This one could be the one for me. Okay. This could be the one for me, because this color is everything. Number one. Number two, I don't have a reissue, and I've been waiting for the perfect one. I thought maybe it would be so black, but now I'm leaning towards not getting a so black one, because I think my next black bag is going to have to be like something I could wear in the evening. So I like this one. I might have to go on a hunt for this one. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm $4,900. Did that even go up? Isn't the mini rectangle like 52 or 5,300 now? And this is still $4,900. Listen, you guys, let's do SLGs, because we know that's where the party is. All right, let's do wallets on chain. This wallet on chain is like obscenely expensive, because it has a weird chain with hearts on it. But is that like a double chain with hearts on it? Like, that's not just, is that detachable? I really don't understand what that is. It's not detachable. No, it's not detachable, but it's like a weird extra chain. And because of that weird extra chain, the price is up to $4,300. Please. I love the color. Absolutely love the color. The price can go kick rocks. We've got a white wallet on chain with the same weird handle. I mean, it has oh wait, there's some print on the inside. That's really cute. Still not worth $4,300, but you know, cute. All right. Wait a minute. This one's even more expensive. However, look at that top handle. This one is beautiful, and I absolutely love this color, and it has a turn lock, and the CCs are like, I don't know, they're like embellished, or there's some type of special CCs. Like, you can see they're like, I don't know, they look different. And I freaking like this, but $46.75, like, for a wallet on chain is wild. Let's look at clutches with chain, which is everything. Basically, the entire collection is going to be sitting right here, because everything is called a clutch with chain. This looks weird. Why is it round? Oh, wait. Oh, it's like a loop-de-loop, you guys. It's like that. How cool is that? I mean, I still like don't love it. I wouldn't buy this personally, but like, I see what they did there. I can't be mad. It looks a little weird, but like, maybe for the cool avant-garde girlies, like, I get it. Another clutch with chain. This looks exactly like the wallet on chain that we just saw, but like, does it have an extra compartment or something? And isn't this only like $100 more than the wallet on chain that we just saw? Definitely go for the clutch with chain version, because it's definitely bigger, and it's like $100 more. Like, I'd rather just pay the $100 more, like, wouldn't you? And here we have the little baby Kelly. Like, listen, when this originally came out, like this size of Kelly 2 seasons ago, when I got my Kelly, I loathed it. I thought it was so stupid. I thought it was just not worth it at all. And honestly, I still don't think it's worth it. Like, look how freaking tiny it is. Are you kidding me? But I think it's really cute. Like, in the little lavender color, stop. I would put my name down for that. Okay, I would definitely do it. Small clutch with chain. I have definitely seen this one around. And honestly, I like this. I do. You guys know I got my micro bag recently, the green one. I'll link the unboxing up here. I love it. And I would definitely get one in black just because this is like the perfect type of bag that I was talking about. This is the type of black bag that you can take anywhere. You can take it out at night. You can take it out shopping during the day because, like, what do you need when you're going shopping? Your card. I'm just saying this is definitely one that I really like. $32.50 is a lot of money for such a thing. This shit is like this big. It's very small, but there are details there that I could understand why the price is a little bit higher than, you know, some other bags. It's my favorite color again. Clutch with chain, $46.75. Now listen, this color is just gorgeous. The top handle is okay. It's not my favorite top handle that they've done, but this has like a really cool CC. It has a turn lock. Tell me this color is not just like speaking to your soul. Speaking to mine. You know what? Maybe I will just dabble into costume jewelry. I just want to look at the denim pieces. I wasn't gonna, but I feel like we need to talk about them. So let's look at the earrings. I do think that the detail with the denim is really cool. And I can't say that I hate these, but $9.75. Like, you guys know, I am not buying any costume jewelry this year. I'll link my what I'm not buying for 2024 video right up here. Costume jewelry is like one of the top ones that I am not, as I'm literally wearing Louis Vuitton costume jewelry. I just think $9.75 is far too much money to spend on something that's like guaranteed to tarnish. That's just not the vibe I'm going for. So no. So that is it for the collection. What are my favorite pieces, you ask? Definitely the Chanel 22 in the mini size in so black. That's the one. That's the one. If you don't have a mini 22 and you're thinking about getting one, this is the one to get, in my opinion. I absolutely love it. I really like, obviously, the Kelly bag in the lavender color. Like, if you guys can help me source one, like, maybe I would. Maybe I'd do it. I mean, you guys are the ones who helped me get my blue one, so maybe the little baby one, the little nano size in the lavender color. Like, I like that. I like that a lot. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm so scared. You guys have no idea. Because if I have to refilm this a third time, I'm just not posting it. I'll just shut down my whole YouTube channel. I don't even care.